Good day, my dear friends. I want to tell you about Pink Lake in my native Henichsk. So, listen my short story about Pink Lake on the Azov Sea and Arabat Spit. Wonderful world of nature. Pink Lake in Ukraine. In the south of Ukraine, next to the Azov Sea, there is a unique pink lake. Landscapes of magical beauty are stunning. The true beauty is revealed only from a bird's eye view. This pink lake is located in the south of Ukraine, near the Arabat Spit resort. The landscapes are simply mesmerizing. Once there was an industrial salt mining. However, after the collapse of the Soviet Union, the enterprise went bankrupt, and nature, in a few years, has returned to man's former greatness and beauty. A bit of history and facts about these salt mines. The genic group of salt lakes is located to the north and east of the Sivash in the Crimea, on the Arabat Spit, and partly in the coastal strip of the northern districts of Tauride province, Dnieper, Melitopol and Berdyansk. There are more than 40 lakes in the group that precipitate stable salt. On these, the most important is Lake Genichesk on the low-lying sandy peninsula of the Arabat Spit, 15 miles southwest of Henichsk. It has up to the 16 versts in circumference. In the last years of the existence of the Soviet Union, the Priozernoye salt plant produced up to 25,000 tons of salt per year. There were several salt mines in the north of Crimea. The largest fishery was founded by General Meshkov in the 1840 on Lake Henichesk, over which we fly. The hydraulic structure that he installed, the location of his salt pools are still considered a model of the technological scheme. Up to 50,000 tons of salt were mined in 3 departments here in the century before last. Meshkov sent samples to the Brussels exhibition, and there they were highly appreciated. The general himself and his family lived in Paris. At the end of the 19th century, he lived in Russia, in the Crimea, in the village of Kacha, where he had an estate. Apart from permanent workers, in some years, up to 2,000 seasonal workers were employed in salt production.